So it all comes down to this. What do you guys think? I genuinely want to know whether Indian students should be allowed to work or not. Let me know down in the comment section. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shashwat Durak and I'm back with yet another very thought-provoking, very interesting topic. And in this video, I want each one of you to be there with me, to follow what I am saying, to think, and most importantly, let me know your views. So you must have read the topic, whether Indian school children or Indian students should be allowed to work or not. So it's no secret that students in other countries are allowed to work, be it Europe or America or any country for that matter. Students below the age of 18, school going children are allowed to work. And that is not the case here in India, of course. So let us discuss some advantages and disadvantages of this system of students being allowed to work, being allowed to earn money, being allowed to do jobs, and let us discuss some advantages and disadvantages of this. And a disclaimer, don't confuse this with child labor. Child labor is something completely very different, not at all related to this. So let's start with the video. I want you all to be there with me and let me know down your views in the comment section. So there's a thing at UK or Britain, there's a thing called Saturday jobs, where teenagers work only on one day of a week, and that is Saturday, of course, as the name suggests. So it's not working throughout the week, it's only on weekends, or if the students doesn't mind, he can work throughout the week. Again, they can't start a business of their own, they just can work under their family business or under someone. These jobs mostly include stuff like working at a supermarket, working at a grocery store, arranging things on the shelves, working at a garage, or things like that. These don't include starting their business of their own. So let's start with some advantages and disadvantages. The first advantage is that students learn and know the importance of money. These days, teenagers don't understand the importance of money because it's their parents who are, earning their money and giving everything they need. So if students start working on their own, they'll understand that earning money isn't easy. It involves a lot of hard work, patience, and consistency. Only then you can earn money. So it will teach them the importance of money, and there's no other way of teaching this. We only learn things when we go through it, and only then we understand the true importance of things. So I guess that's a very huge advantage of this system. The second advantage, and personally my favorite one. So every student, especially who's watching this, be it school or college student, just imagine this. You will be earning money on your own. You can buy things from your own earned money. Just imagine the feeling. It would be so satisfying, such a proud feeling, to be honest. I would do anything to experience that feeling. And you can do that. So the second advantage is independence. You won't have to be dependent on your parents for stuff which you need to buy. Of course, the money won't be that much, compared to what your parents earn. But I guess it would be sufficient enough to satisfy your basic needs, such as, ordering from outside sometimes, or buying some stationery material or stuff like that. Genuinely, that would be so cool. Earning money and buying your stuff with your own earned money. Just imagine, and let me know down in the comments what do you think of this. The third advantage is that you will learn values like hard work, saving, and stuff like that, because I don't think anyone here in India knows much about this, because you are not working. For that matter, even me, I don't earn money. So I guess that will help us learn those values. You'll be earning your money and you'll feel like saving it, because that's your own hard earned money. You know the importance of that money because you have worked hard to earn it. So I guess that's a huge advantage, and I guess parents would like this advantage much better. So yes, that's the third advantage of this. The fourth advantage is that you learn how to manage time. Even though you won't be working 7 days a week, but still you learn how to manage studies as well as manage working on your own. This is something which no Indian schools teach you. I have made like 6 videos on this very topic about Indian education system and the flaws it contains. So go check them out one by one. I am very sure you'll like it. So yes, you'll learn how to manage time, because you'll have to do all the things simultaneously. Working, studying for your exams, following your passion, because that's a very important thing as well, and spending time with your family, recreation. You'll have to manage everything on your own, and this is something which you learn when you actually go out there, go out in the real world and start doing those things. So I guess this is again a very huge advantage of this system. The fifth advantage, that it will be beneficial for your future jobs if you plan to work somewhere. So in an interview they always ask for your work experience, and knowing that you have been working since like 15-16 years of age really adds to your resume. The interviewer will have confidence in you because you have worked before, you know the essential skills that are required to work. So again, that's a very huge advantage of this system. The next advantage is kind of similar to the previous advantages, but I'll still like to mention it, is that you will become mature and you will understand how the real world functions. So in India, students are under this bubble where their parents essentially give everything they require. That's not the case in foreign countries. Students there need to work on their own. They are away from their parents, and they are just much more mature than students here in India. So I guess that will be a huge advantage to students to actually work. And some of you might be like ये सब बोलने में आसान है, जब एक्चुअल में काम करेगा तब देखो समझेगा कि कितनी मेहनत लगती है वगैरह. अभी तू लकी है, तू इंडिया में है. I agree. That's we don't have to work from an early age. Our parents do everything for us. But then there will be a point where we'll have to work on our own. We won't be under them throughout our life. So I guess every student needs to learn that, and that I guess is a very huge advantage of this system. Let me know what you guys think. Even if there are any parents, any school teachers watching this, let me know what you guys think of this. So I guess the advantages are quite powerful enough to convince that this system is actually beneficial. But for the sake of discussing, let us discuss some disadvantages. So the first disadvantage is additional pressure on students. So in UK, even though students are working, but the number is decreasing day by day because students are forced to study more instead of working. And I'm not making this up, by the way. I have read through website. I've watched other YouTube videos as well, and after watching and doing my homework, I am saying this. So but then that's quite subjective. It depends from person to person. Later on with our lives, things won't be easy. You will have stress, and I guess stress happens with everything, be it at whatever stage in life you are at. You will have stress, so you will need to learn how to cope up with it, and this system will exactly teach you how to do that. So again, this disadvantage is quite subjective. It may vary from person to person. If a student has good stress coping skills, can manage things effectively, then it's quite advantageous for him. The second disadvantage, and it's really very sad, to be honest, it will exist only here in India, and that is, what will people think? Because it's quite common in foreign countries to work in supermarkets, garage, cafes, as a delivery boy, as a waiter. I, as a matter of fact, know someone who actually works as as someone who arranges the shelves. So basically he's from Brazil, and his entire job is to pick up things from a container, arrange it on the shelves of a supermarket. So that's quite common in other countries, but here in India people will start judging them. So I guess that's a disadvantage, but only restricted to India, and that's not a disadvantage, that's a fault in your thinking, to be honest. So yes, there's that. I hope you found this video informative, and if you are liking what I'm doing, do leave a thumbs up below, and most importantly, share this video with everyone you can, your family, your friends, your schoolmates, your relatives, everyone you can, because I want to know what people think about this. So drop down your comments below. I want each and every one of you to comment. I don't think commenting yes I would like this system or no I am not in favor of this system would take much time. So drop down your comments, like this video, and subscribe to this channel, because listen to this very carefully. The next video is something I don't think anyone has done it before. The next video is something very, very special, So subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss that. I don't want you all to miss that because I'm so excited to upload the video. And share this video with everyone. I'll be back with a video very soon. Till then, I hope you're safe, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Shashwat Darak signing off.